In this tutorial, I will explain how to install and set up the BlockSettle terminal for the first time. Start off by downloading the installer, which you can find on the BlockSettle webpage, blocksettle.com. Once the installer is open, you will be greeted by the BlockSettle setup wizard. Go through the steps shown on your screen and then run the terminal. Once the terminal launches and you agree to the licensing agreement, you will be asked to choose environment. The BlockSettle terminal supports both mainnet, which uses actual bitcoins, and testnet, which functions exactly like mainnet but where the bitcoins have no monetary value. Testnet is a great environment for getting comfortable with the terminal. The wallets created in one environment don't carry over to the other. In this demonstration, I went with the test environment. Once the environment is chosen, the terminal window will open. You will then be prompted to either create a software wallet, import a software wallet, or import a hardware wallet. If you need help with setting up wallets, you can watch the other videos related to that. By default, the terminal connects to the environment you choose via a cluster of BlockSettle nodes. Connecting to these is convenient and quick, but advanced users who are comfortable running a full Bitcoin Core node as well as indexing the whole Bitcoin blockchain may download the BlockSettle DB from our website.